DJI's smallest flying camera may be preparing for another major update. The DJI Neo 3 is increasingly appearing in leaks, prototype sightings, and insider reports, suggesting a late 2026 launch. If true, DJI could deliver meaningful improvements in camera quality, flight performance, and obstacle sensing while keeping the drone compact and beginner-friendly. According to recent leaks and industry speculation, the DJI Neo 3 is shaping up to be a significant evolution of DJI's Palm launch drone series. Larger camera sensor, replacing the smaller sensor found in previous Neo models. This upgrade improves low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image quality. Pro color profiles. Rumored support for 10-bit D-Log-M color profiles and enhanced HDR recording gives creators much more flexibility when editing footage for social media and short-form content. Extended flight time. Sources within the drone community indicate the Neo 3 could achieve up to 24 minutes of flight time per battery thanks to improved motor efficiency and better power management. Compact yet capable. While it may not challenge larger drones, this represents a noticeable and welcome improvement for a palm-sized aircraft. Tri-directional sensor. While earlier Neo models relied mainly on forward and downward sensors, rumors point to a new tri-directional sensing system to make autonomous tracking and indoor flying safer for beginners. 04 Plus transmission. The Neo 3 is expected to adopt DJI's 04 Plus video transmission technology, potentially allowing a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers in ideal open environments, bringing it closer to advanced DJI models. Beyond camera quality and hardware, the DJI Neo 3 is rumored to heavily upgrade how users interact with the drone in everyday scenarios. Smarter AI subject tracking. Building on its Palm launch roots, the Neo 3 is expected to feature next-generation AI tracking algorithms that lock onto moving subjects with higher precision, ensuring you stay perfectly framed whether you're cycling, running, or vlogging solo. Voice and gesture controls. Reports indicate that DJI is refining hands-free operation options, allowing creators to launch, direct, and land the drone using simple voice commands or subtle hand gestures without needing a traditional controller or smartphone. Facing growing competition in the lightweight creator category, such as the HoverAir X1 Pro series, DJI continues to leverage its ecosystem, software integration, and flight technology. If the Neo 3 arrives with these rumored upgrades while maintaining an affordable price, it could easily become one of the most popular entry-level drones released in 2026.